Hey, just go ahead and picture this right here. To yourself in your mind right there where you at. You been out there at the shop this evening doing some stuff. About supper time, just a little snack you need to prepare. And you don't be wanting to do no cooking. So I made one night ago past. I done already made a sandwich that was it was pretty good. You know, damn good sandwich. Pardon my language, or to make a point, get a pencil, take notes. It's gonna be good eating. So it seems a quick sandwich just by putting together a few delicious ingredients to influence the outcome of the flavor of the sandwich as a whole. Just saying, take notes. It worked yesterday. I see no reason it wouldn't be pretty good today. I'll share it with you. Salt and pepper. Coarse grind, in one of them grinding things right there. The key ingredient, if I may tip you off, the key ingredient in this in this sandwich right here is some tomatoes. I've done already had them 3-4 days now. A gift up there from Portland, Indiana, at that Tri-State Gas Engine show. Was gifted a pretty good sized bag of homegrown tomatoes, and I done been at them things for a week. Boy, they're good. Let's have them one more time. The key ingredient being them 3 tomatoes is all that's left. And this right here is that Hellman's mayonnaise. Man, that Hellman mayonnaise is pretty good. And this right here is that ham-and-cheese-loaf. You get it over at the low price store, or either it's on the bottom shelf down there. Probably ain't good for you, but I kind of like it. So, comes in a plastic tub here in the US of A. Some kind of pressed something. So, that's what it looks like, but don't quote me on any validity of it. About value, I don't know nothing about it other than they mark it as a lunch meat. So, that's 2 slices of that. It has some cheese in it. It has little cheese flecks in there. Little, I think that's cheddar. So if that cheese gasses you up or anything, don't be bothered with it. Get some other kind. I'm just saying, it might bother you. So I sliced them tomatoes up right there, them onions. We're gonna have an onion on this sandwich right here. That's that. This right here is that. Well, not to get off on the cost of anything or anything like that, but this bread right here, it's up here at the closest store to me. It was $1 a loaf for some years, and all. It ain't no dollar no more. It's price increase. But I think the secret to this right here, look here. See, I passed up all of that bread right there and went down about halfway and got a pretty good size two pieces of it. Like that. Well, you know that's not going to be enough. I'm going to make 2 of them. So, That'd be 4 pieces of bread. We're gonna have some of that vanilla chai. Boathouse Farms brand, I think it is. I'm pretty sure it's Boathouse. A vanilla chai. I think it will be a perfectly good accompaniment to the tartness of tomato and the sweetness of the onion. They mark that as a sweet onion. And the bread's a little bit on the, well, how would I put that? Well, I better get some more of that meat right there. I forgot I'm making 2. I'll have to get 2 more slices of that. You don't want to short yourself on that meat part. I gave those tomatoes a good washing. You're ready to go. We'll slice them up and see how many we think we need for 2 sandwiches. That's a pretty good tomato right there. Well, it's going to require this big one right here. So, well, it's going to be good. Look at them tomatoes right there. How beautiful is that? Let's slice that onion up now and see what it looks like. And it's already ready to go also. It slices quite well. Fresh from the market today. Get that onion there. Yeah, that's a nice onion. Okay, let's put this thing together. What onion smell? That onion smells. You know what? I should sample that onion. It said on the label this was a sweet onion. So I should see about that. See if you sample a little something. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. We'll put them 2 breads right there. Mayo, a liberal amount. Oh yeah, that's enough mayo right there. Might need a little more. We'll see how it goes. And that ham cheese loaf that we just was fooling with there a little bit ago, if you cut it half in two, you end up with something that looks like that right there. You know, it's only a half of one. So, so if you put this and hang them down that way a little bit and let that hang off that way up there like that, it looks like a deli sandwich. You know. Like that. That's what I'm talking about. That onion we was talking about earlier, I'm gonna go light on that onion. What? You know, something like that. With them there onions stacked up on that ham and cheese loaf, well, I'm gonna stack these tomatoes up on yonder. Look at that. That's a perfect tomato right there. Boy, to be blessed, you know, was just getting ready to come home, and here just like, you can't ask for anything any better than free tomatoes, you know, man, unbelievable. And I'm not sure what grade these was, but they're quite, you know, there ain't no, they're delicious. I'm just go ahead and put that extra one right in there on that one. Well, I'm gonna do the same on that. That'd be 3 of them. You know what I mean? Look at that. All right then. Okay. Right here's some of that salt that you grind up in that grinder, set on a coarse grind. So I'm gonna. So you know how much you actually have. If you grind it up in your hand like that right there, you can look at it and position it exactly where you want it at onto them tomatoes right there. It just makes them go sweet. Is what you, and a liberal amount, I'm gonna say, put on there. And you know, just for, well, black pepper. A smidgen, just the color, you know. Okay. You know, it looks good enough not even to put a top on it. But we will. Okay, let's go over and plate them up on a small dish. And this vanilla chai. As would be my entry. I'll go ahead and enter this little sandwich. I'll go ahead and enter it in the sandwich of the week contest. I went on ahead and added a little drip of mayonnaise on the corner. You know, kind of if you get a little odd piece right there and you need to dip that top piece of bread, you know, it'd be on the ready right there. Now y'all enjoy now. That vanilla chai. Just saying.